Hello. So I'm working on this Toyota Camry. It has a coolant leak. I've already diagnosed it. It's got a bad radiator. Again, I just replaced it a year ago. Go figure. But I just figured I'd take this opportunity to make a short video about the coolant pressure tester. And that is here. Let me show you. This is a Matco Tools cooling system pressure tester. RPT 102. Don't even know if they still make the same one. I've had it for, gosh, going on 20 years. That's what the kit looks like. So what you do is you take your adapter, this is Toyota with the short adapter. That's the short one. That's the long one. If it doesn't fit, do not force it. It will break this plastic radiator faster than you can say, I didn't make any money on this job, Batman. So, get it on there. Keep trying to do everything left-handed while I'm taping. Turn it on there. And you take this portion. See? When this screws on here, got to make sure it's up on the high spots. And you twist that until it stops on the thing. And you turn that, and it locks it in with a spring. And then you look at your cap. This one's 108 kPa. So 108 kPa is 16 psi. I googled that already. So then you hold on. Pump it up. Pump it up to 16 psi. It doesn't have to be perfect, but close. And this one's leaking. Right there, where the radiator tank meets the aluminum part. And it's important to go and make sure you go to the appropriate pressure and don't overpressure it, because a lot of cars anymore have a lot of plastic components in the cooling system. And if you overpressure it, there's a good chance you could break them. Especially if it's an older car with a lot of miles on it, a lot of heat cycles on that plastic, they get brittle and break. So, that's really all I have for you. I just thought I was using the tool. I figured I'd make a how-to video for somebody who doesn't know what it is. Alright, well, you all have a fantastic evening. Just another night in the shop here at Well One Automotive.